Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Durango. First, make sure you have your drawing essentials ready, such as a few pencils, good quality paper, and a reliable eraser. We will begin by sketching the fundamental shapes to capture the Durango's robust stance. Concentrate on outlining the main body, the wheel wells, and the basic window shapes to set up your drawing's foundation. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions correct before adding details. Now, let's move on to adding the exterior details that make the Durango recognizable. Carefully refine the front grille, headlights, and bumper, paying attention to their unique shapes. Next, focus on the wheels. Draw the specific rim design and add subtle tire treads to give them depth. Don't forget to include the door lines, side mirrors, and roof rails to enhance the vehicle's overall realism and complete its profile. For this next step, we'll consider the interior elements that might be visible through the windows, sketching them lightly. Then, it's time to bring your drawing to life with shading. Apply shading to create a sense of depth and to highlight the Durango's muscular contours. Experiment with varying pencil pressures to achieve different light and shadow effects, making sure to blend smoothly for a professional finish. This adds significant dimension. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches to perfect your Dodge Durango drawing. Carefully erase any initial guidelines that are no longer needed, ensuring your drawing looks clean and polished. Then, add those small but impactful details like the Dodge badges, door handles, and windshield wipers. These elements truly complete the vehicle's appearance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while you create.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.